Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Seemed like I forgot welcome back to my channel. I don't know. Anyway, today we are doing something with the hair. I have tried out a new curly product by Oribe. You guys know I love Oribe products. Now all of them work for me, but when they work, they work. This is the Oribe Curl Shaping Mousse. One of my viewers said, hey, can you try out some of the Oribe curling products? And I planned on doing that. I just didn't get to it. But they remind me, and of course, this is for you, for that viewer. Thank you so much for reminding me. Because when I have a curly routine, I kind of just stick with it. I'll try other stuff sometimes, but when it works, don't fix what's broken. But there's nothing, you always should be looking for new products, which is great. Anyway, let's get into the product, and I'm going to stop babbling. This has 5.7 ounces and it retails for $39. This Call to Curls locks in locks. Oh, locks in locks. That's cute. While leaving them supple and shiny, never stiff. Sealed in moisture and hydrating frizz resistance are the light as air piece de resistance. I just like saying that. I don't know. Rolls off the tongue nicely. You guys know some of their products do have coconut oil in them, and those are the curly products that I will not be trying because coconut oil does not work well for my hair, unfortunately. The benefits of this product is it shapes, defines and holds curls, adds body and bounce, prevents frizz, and provides humidity resistance and heat protection. It does not have parabens, sodium chloride, and it's color and keratin treatment safe. UV protection for hair. Okay. Wow, this actually got a Essence 2014 Best in Black Beauty Curl Definer Award. Okay. Well, what do I think about this product? I have it in my hair right now. I've been using it for the past few days in different ways. What you do is you shake this up, mousse it into damp hair, diffuse, or simply air dry. You guys know I air dry because I'm just too lazy to diffuse. I'm not gonna lie. That's what it is. Did it define my curls a bit? Yes, it did. However, it did give me more volume, which I'm not necessarily looking for volume, but it's fine if it does. It makes my hair, to me, look a little bit more dry, on the drier side. And I was like, well, maybe it just looks that way and it's not necessarily drier. But when I washed it out of my hair, normally my hair is soft when I rinse out the conditioner for the Oribe, because that's what I do. I put the conditioner in my hair and I put a little bit of conditioner. I leave it a little bit in my hair. And so when I get in the shower the next day, I can wash it out and my hair is soft. My hair was hard and tangled. So that was different. You guys only know me with long hair, but I met my husband with like pixie short hair. I used to live in Florida, and in Florida, oh my gosh, it's so hot. I didn't want long hair. I just cut all my hair off. And I like short hair, but I used to use mousse when I lived in Florida. And I liked it for my short curly hair. So I thought that's why I gave this a whirl. So it says it doesn't, for no frizz. Right now I have about 3 pumps in my hair. I'll shake it and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I have bigger pumps in my hair. I'm just showing you what it looks like. And it has a type of, a watery consistency, but it's more of it it feels a bit sticky, but it doesn't make your hair sticky. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, so it does make your hair hard. I'm sure if you put enough in there, it will make your hair hard. But it didn't fully get rid of frizz for me. And my hair right up here just looks dry for me. It did define my curls, and it smells good. It smells like Oribe products. But I wouldn't say that this changed my life or my routine. And the biggest part is that when I rinse it out, my hair is hard. Like, my hair isn't hard now, but when the water touches it and I'm rinsing it out, like, my hair is rough. And I'm like, oh. So this is probably not something that I would repurchase. Yeah, so this product didn't necessarily work for me, but that doesn't mean it won't work for you. And maybe this probably would have been better on my short hair than my long hair. I don't know. So yeah, I hope this helped you to see if it's something you want to purchase or not, or try out. And yeah. So it's a bit disappointing because, you know, I love Oribe products, but all of them aren't going to work. Sometimes they work for you, sometimes they're not. Everybody's curl is different. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. And is that it? Yeah, I guess that was really quick. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.